Disclaimer. Hello mga ka-earners! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vines Earnings. At kung bago ka pa lang or napadaan ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, ay please consider subscribing at i-hit mo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating mga videos tungkol sa mga extra money online na pwede natin pagkakitaan gamit ang ating cellphone only. Ayan, tapos dito guys, meron din tayong GCash giveaway, which is, simple lang po yung mga mechanics natin. Mag-subscribe ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, panoorin mo yung video natin, at i-comment mo yung hashtag na Vines Earnings at meron kang chance na manalo sa ating GCash giveaway. So, pakilagay na rin yung inyong GCash details kapag magko-comment kayo para hindi na po ako mahirapan na isa-send pa yung napanalunan ninyo pag kayo yung nanalo. Okay?
Hello mga ka-earners, and for today's video, i-review natin tong Joy It na application, no? Titingnan natin kasi bago pa lang, no? And kagagamit ko lang siya, kada-download ko lang. So, yung link na to is nandyan din sa description box. So, click natin tong agree and continue. And then, you are invited by user, you are an invited user. You have 720 points to collect. Just need to finish any game. Okay, so, cancel natin, tapos mag-play games tayo mamaya. So, kailangan ko lang mag-login, no guys. Kailangan natin mag-login with Facebook or Google. So, Google na lang sa akin. Okay, so ayan, after kong mag-login ay, coins na yung makikita natin. Ayan, coins na yung makikita natin dito. So, i-explore natin yung game na to kasi bago pa lang, no? Ayan, so, tignan natin kung asa natin makikita yung withdraw method, no? Pero I think kailangan maglaro muna tayo dito bago tayo makakuha ng amount. So, try natin tong fruit killer. And, ayun, nag-aano siya guys. So, antayin natin, no? Loading siya. Antayin natin mag 100% yan para makapaglaro tayo dito, no? Okay, so, andito na tayo sa game. Hala, ano ko lang yung volume niya, no? Paano ba yan? Ayun, tapos vibrate off natin. Ayan, okay. And exit ko lang siya. And tignan nyo tong star na to guys. O gumagalaw siya. Tapos, ang gagawin lang natin, fruit killer. Yan. So, ganyan lang siya yung gagawin. So, start. Itatap ko lang, no? Okay, ayan. And so, ganyan lang pala yung game. Oops! Ala! Fault. Watch video, free revive, gain after revive. So, antayin natin siya, no? Ayan, so, kailangan ulit next ulit. Per sayang no, nakuha ko yung isang point. Wait lang, tignan natin. Okay. So, ay! So, hindi ko rin siya naabot, no? Ayan, so, tignan natin yung other game, no? Got it? Ayan, so, meron akong nakuha na 33 na coins naman. Ayan. So, ano pa kaya yung next na pwede nating laruin dito? Tignan muna natin tong contest. Isa-isahin natin. Okay. So, meron silang pa-contest, guys. Coins din yung iipunin natin dito, which is, I want to participate. Ayan, sa larong mga to, no? Kailangan laruin yung mga to. And, tignan natin yung pop-up. Okay. Okay. So, mga games. Pero, huwag kayong maglagay dito, no? Kasi, ito yung mga nababayaran na games. So, huwag kayong mag-ano dito. So, free lang yung itatry natin, no? Kasi, di ko pa siya na-try mag-withdraw. Guys. Okay. So, punta tayo dito sa may part ng me. Okay, so meron dito silang, meron silang puhunan pero wag na. Price redemption, click natin yan. And then, hint, 1,300 points can be exchanged for 1 peso. Withdraw now. So, try natin. Click natin yung withdraw now. Tignan natin yung withdraw method. Okay, so GCash guys, na makikita nyo. So, GCash account only supports withdrawal to GCash platform. So, GCash lang daw. Tapos, ang pwede dito ay the rule recipient's name, English na okay, sa kailangan name. Tignan nyo ha, meron siyang comma. Ayan, separate with comma, last name, first name, tapos yung middle name plus yung suffix. So, withdrawal amount. GCash is only used for cash withdrawal. Withdrawal is 1 peso is 1,300 coins yun guys, no? If your points is 260,000, you can withdraw cash and minimum points for withdrawal is 260. Okay, 260,000. When the current 200,060 points, you can withdraw once a week. When the current, okay, so meron pang kailangan ma-reach dito. So, tapos withdrawal take 1 to 3 working days. So, try nating divide, no? 2,060, ayan, 260,000 divided 1,300 ay 200 pesos yung minimum withdrawal dito, guys. 200 pesos, okay? So, GCash din yan. Tapos, dito, pwede tayong mag-redeem ng mga points. Okay, so pwede nyo tignan dito. Pwede mag-redeem. But tignan natin asan dito yung invite method para makapag-invite tayo, guys. Diba? Ayan. So, ba't wala akong invite method? Tignan lang natin. Ito, tignan kong i-check. Points details. Ayan, check it. Oh, mag-sign in pala tayo. So, guys, mag-sign in kayo dito. So, ito, invite friends to play Joy It Together and earn, ayan, up to 978,840 points. Successfully check-in, ayan, so meron akong 60 points. So, bukas ulit. So, continue to invite. Okay, kukunin natin yung link natin, no? So, guys, dito mag-check-in kayo everyday para hindi sayang yung coins. So, ngayon, ito siya. You can invite 150 friends. After your friends complete Joy It download and experience the game, you will get 978 points accumulately. And your invite friends will get 720 points. Okay? Pag naglaro daw ako. So, ikakopy ko lang siya. Copy ko and then pwede kong i-copy yung aking exclusive invitation code. Okay? Your recommendation. So, yan. Up to, ayan, which is equivalent to 978 pesos daw. 978 pesos daw, guys, yung equivalent nitong pwede natin makuha. Okay? Ayan, so tignan natin. Pero kailangan maglaro yung ating na-invite. So, kailangan din maglaro ako kasi para meron akong makuha dito. Kasi sa kanina sabi niya, play the game and meron kang makukuha na 720 points. So, try natin tong Block Puzzle Guardian. Yan, naglo-loading siya. So, antayin lang natin. And antayin ko ulit siya na mag 100%. At ayun na nga, medyo mahina yung signal ko, kaya ibabak ko na lang. But anyway, ayan, try nyo din tong application na to. Asan na yung giname natin kanina? Ito yung giname natin kanina. Try natin siyang balikan ulit. Alala, meron siyang volume ulit. So, hindi ba siya naka-off? I-off natin siya. I think naka-off. Ayan, so isa-start ulit natin, no? Pero make sure, kailangan matamaan ko daw lahat pala ng watermelon. Ayun. Ayun, meron akong 15 na coins. Hindi ko alam kung kasali yan. Ayun, dalawa. Okay. So, meron akong 42. Ayan, meron akong award, extra bonus. So, try natin ulit maglaro. And, go. Ayun, isa na lang. Okay, wait lang. Yes, nakuha natin siya, guys. Nakuha natin. And, isa pa. Ayun. So, wow, maganda to kasi hindi na ako bumalik. Ayun, tukat. So, 37 yun. Isa pala. Meron pa pala akong isa dito. Hindi natamaan. So, sige, natamaan na. Okay. So, tignan natin kung magkaroon nakuha ko. Tapos, nakita nyo, 4/6 na yan. Kanina, hindi siya 4. Ayun, 151 na yung aking points, guys, na dagdagan. Okay? And so, play to earn to, which is, tignan natin if meron tayong mawi-withdraw dito since 200 yung minimum withdrawal dito sa application na to. Tignan natin. Ayan. So, i-review ko ulit yung application na to if ever na meron ako mawi-withdraw. Okay? So, play to earn lahat. Napakarami ditong pwede ninyong laruin. So, yung link nito is nandyan sa ating description box, guys. Okay? So, direct Gcash yung withdrawal dito.
Disclaimer. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents are provided by this channel are meant for educational and information purposes only. I cannot guarantee that you will make money or will have the same experience as mine. I am just showing you different apps, websites, and methods that have potential in making money. And I am not a financial advisor, so it is important to do your own research before deciding to try these mentioned apps or website. And always remember this, try at your own risk.